Welcome back everybody, or if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making some refrigerated pickled cabbage. I saw this on that 1870s Homestead. Rachael made it. It looked really good, so I thought I'd try it. You'll need some cabbage, of course. You could use whatever color. I've got purple cabbage or red cabbage. She used fish sauce. I'm going to use soy sauce, a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of boiling water. In a bowl, add your cabbage and your boiling water. Then add your vinegar, your salt and sugar, and a splash of the soy sauce or fish sauce. Next, you'll mix and massage the cabbage into the liquid. Then you'll let this set for at least 30 minutes, and she says overnight would be best to let it set. Then you'll want to pack your jars. I had a little bit less liquid than I wanted. You might want to double the liquid recipe, but I may have had more cabbage than she did. Then I just took the liquid and divided it between the 2 jars. Then just put this in the refrigerator. The longer you let it set, the better it'll be, but you could eat it within 2 hours. But this is really good. It stays crunchy. You could add mayonnaise to it and make slaw. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, refrigerated pickled cabbage. I hope y'all try it. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.